Hello, students. We're talking about 1.5 angle relationships. So there's pairs of angles. There's adjacent angles, linear pairs, vertical angles. So adjacent angles means the two angles will share a common side, but no common interior points, meaning they don't have any other points in common except the side. So if you're drawing something like this, okay, and I draw one more. If I put points A, B, C, and K, then angle ABC and angle CBK, they are adjacent angles. But you see ABK isn't, because these two don't share common interior points, because I put a point here, it's not in the same other angle, but they also have to have adjacent sides. So that side BC is adjacent, okay? Okay, and then you see the non-examples. So an example here would be if this is angle 3, and I said angle ABK and angle 3. Now, are they adjacent? No, because adjacent means they're next to. They don't share any common interior points. Linear means if we have a line that they are adjacent angles with no non-common sides that are opposite rays. What's that mean? That means that linear pair would be here, angle 3, and here, angle 4. So that's a linear pair, okay? Notice that they have a non-common, this side right here, let's say this is P, that it has opposite rays, okay? Their non-common side is opposite rays, okay? So it means it's, and if you look, it's one line. If you look at this would be, none of these would be, because none of their sides are opposite rays, okay? All of them are diverting in a different direction, not a opposite direction, okay? Vertical angle is two non-adjacent angles formed by intersecting lines. So if you take two lines, if this angle is 1, 2, 3, 4, then angle 1 and 3 are vertical, and angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical, okay? Notice they're just the opposite angles, so kind of crisscross, okay? Okay, and the non-example in the book is obviously atrocious because it's made with nothing being straight lines, meaning the rays are coming off at different directions. Okay, cheerleaders. Yeah, we're gonna skip that real world example. Okay, angle pair relationships. Okay, there are certain angle pairs you need to know. First thing, vertical angles are congruent. I'm going to ask you guys this question in class, okay? Vertical angles are congruent. Okay, complementary angles are two angles that measure, sum is 90 degrees. Okay, so complementary. have a sum of 90. So think 40 degrees and 50 degrees. Okay? You put them next to each other, they will make a 90. If you put them as adjacent angles, they will make a right angle. Okay? Supplementary. Angles add up, have a sum of 180 degrees. Okay, supplementary will make a straight line. Okay, if they are next to each other, if they're adjacent angles. Okay. Okay, they show it's a linear pair. Okay, sorry, not. Yeah, it's a linear pair. So supplementary are a linear pair. Okay. Okay. Angle measures. So if they're supplementary and you're using math, so there's some algebra you can use with these angles. Okay. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines form 4 right angles. 4 right angles. Okay. So perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisectors. You have a line, and you use your compass. That is more than half it. That's more than half. So I go here, I go here, go to the other side, go here, go here. Okay. Now, my perpendicular bisector which we're actually having a quiz over, so you know. Okay, this is a right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. Okay, that for sure, 2 perpendicular. It's okay. You make a right angle with that little box. So you only need one of them to show that the whole thing is right angles. Okay? Okay? That is 2 perpendicular lines. The symbol is this right here. Okay? So if you say line AB is perpendicular to CB, that this reads perpendicular. Okay. So line AB is perpendicular to line CB. Okay. Find XY so that line PR and SQ are perpendicular. So essentially, you just have to solve this out over here. Assuming, so you just add it up. So 2x plus 5x plus 6 equals 90. Solve it out, and you get x equals 12. And then using the same logic over here, you can solve for y. Key concepts. We'll come back to this in class, okay? We'll talk about this. Okay, you will have a quiz today, so I'm going to post the quiz and post these videos. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye.